Have you ever wondered what happens under the hood when you turn the key in your car's ignition? How does a car engine work? Well, prepare to dive into the world of automotive engines. An engine, the heart of any vehicle, operates on a basic principle: convert fuel into motion. This process happens in a series of steps, and the engine types may vary, but the core principles remain the same. Step 1. The intake. As a car engine starts, the first step is the intake stroke. The piston moves down the cylinder, creating a vacuum that sucks in air and fuel into the combustion chamber. The intake valve opens, allowing this mixture to fill the chamber. Step 2. Compression. Once the cylinder fills with this air-fuel mixture, the intake valve closes. The piston then moves up, compressing this mixture. This compression makes the explosion more powerful. Step 3. Combustion. Here's where things heat up. The spark plug fires, igniting the compressed air-fuel mixture. This creates a mini explosion, forcing the piston down the cylinder. This explosion is what generates the engine's power. Step 4. Exhaust. After the mini explosion, it's time to clean up. The exhaust valve opens, and as the piston moves back up, it pushes out the burnt gases, known as exhaust, from the cylinder. And then the cycle repeats. All of this takes place in a matter of seconds and occurs hundreds of times per minute. The engine's efficiency and power depend on several factors: the number of cylinders, the type of fuel, the engine size, and the quality of the air-fuel mixture. So to summarize, a car engine works in 4 basic steps: intake, compression, combustion, and exhaust. The intake stroke draws in the air-fuel mixture. The compression stroke compresses this mixture. The combustion stroke ignites the mixture, creating power. And finally, the exhaust stroke expels the burnt gases. Remember, the engine is the heart of your car. Understanding its operation can help you maintain it better, diagnose problems, and even boost its performance. So next time you turn the ignition and hear that familiar purr, you'll know exactly what's happening under the hood. As we delve deeper into the fascinating world of car engines, let's visualize how these 4 steps, intake, compression, combustion, and exhaust, work in harmony. On your screen now is a detailed diagram of a 4-stroke engine's working cycle. Starting with the intake stroke, you'll see the piston moving down as the intake valve opens. This action draws in the air-fuel mixture into the cylinder. Next, the compression stroke begins as the piston moves back up, and both the intake and exhaust valves close. This action compresses the air-fuel mixture, preparing it for ignition. Following that is the combustion stroke. Here, the spark plug ignites the compressed air-fuel mixture, and the resulting explosion pushes the piston down, generating power. Lastly, the exhaust stroke occurs. The exhaust valve opens as the piston rises, expelling the burnt gases out of the cylinder. And just like that, the cycle repeats. A beautiful dance of mechanical precision and power. Now that you've seen it in action, you'll have a deeper understanding of what's happening every time you start your car.